Hello guys, welcome back again to another episode on Keletos TV. I hope you're all doing well, and if this is your first time, I say a warm welcome to you. Today we are making carrot juice, and yes, we're not using the juicer. We will be using a simple tool that we all have in the kitchen. It's not everybody that can afford a juicer, but if you have a blender, it still can do the job for you. The first ingredient I have here is ginger, and then I also have coconut water. I prefer coconut water versus water itself because it has a lot of properties for the body. It hydrates the body, that's why I like it. You can still use water and it will work for you, but for this recipe we are using coconut water. We're using a dash of black pepper, which is the next ingredient. We have 1 lemon and then carrots. All right, so we're gonna go ahead, wash the ingredients, cut them and prep them. We'll be right back. All right friends, everything has been washed, but in here I have just the carrots and the ginger. Okay, so like I said, we're using the blender today for the carrot juice. All right, so just the carrots, add the ginger, and then we're gonna go ahead and add the coconut water. Just a little bit above the ingredients that you have in the blender. And then we're gonna go ahead and close the blender and blend. So halfway, we'll add the black pepper, just a dash. It's just a little bit, something small, not too much. Blend again. All right friends, we're back, and our mixture is all blended, as you can see here. So we'll go ahead and strain it. And I used 1 container of the coconut water. I used everything. I think there's a little bit in there. Yeah, so I used 1. Now we want to make sure we're getting our money's worth. So manually push this through the strainer, making sure every bit of juice is coming out. And you also want to make sure you consult your doctor. Make sure you're not allergic to anything in this juice before you drink, please. All right, I think we've got enough. And look at the juice we got. Look at that. So at this point, friends, we're going to go ahead and squeeze the lemon into the mixture. All right, you're also going to go ahead and stir the mixture. Make sure the lemon is mixed. And then I have some ice in my cup. Taste time. Mm. Mm-mm. Oh my goodness. You need to try this. Try it. So refreshing. Okay, friends. So here's the rest of our juice. We put it in a bottle and we're going to store it in the fridge. Okay? So grab yourself some carrots, all right? And then make the juice. Put it in the fridge. You can drink it 2, 3 days. Healthy for you, healthy for the kids, healthy for everyone in the family. All right? So on this note, I just want to say thank you for stopping by, and we will see you in the next one.